Cody, what's the matter, bro? I'm really tired. Would you look at this crew we have here? Hi. Hi. I'm going to interview for Funniest Home Videos. Look. Beautiful day, and they're all hiding under the benches.
Yeah.
Come here, I want to smell your butt. We got the watering hole. Got the watering hole? Uh-oh. This Roxy in action. Being Queen Bee of the dog park. She's not sure what's going on. She's checking it out. Young pup? Young pup. Look at this young pup. Oh, she's full of energy. She's full of energy. Uh-oh, here comes Cody. What's up, Cody? What's that? What's this, Cody? Huh? That's it. You ready? You ready? Ready? Go get it, Cody. Where will he go? Dog park heaven. Okay. I'm done.